We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our easy, creamy potato soup. You will love this homemade soup with potatoes, veggies, garlic, and a luscious, creamy broth. For the base of the soup, we'll need some veggies. Here we have onions, carrots, and celery. I like to chop everything pretty small and similar in size. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. We also need some garlic, which we mince, as well as rosemary. If you don't have access to fresh rosemary, don't worry, you can use dried. Check the full recipe on Inspired Taste for all ingredient amounts and substitutions. Heat some olive oil or butter in a deep soup pot over medium heat, and then add the chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Then cook, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. While they cook, get the potatoes chopped. I keep them small. By the way, in this video we are not blending the soup, but if you wanted to make a blended creamier soup, you can. Now stir in the garlic, rosemary, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Scatter flour over the vegetables and cook until it looks medium blonde in color. Flour helps to make this soup creamy, but if you do not wish to use flour, check the recipe on Inspired Taste for our suggestions. Stir in half of the stock, making sure there aren't any lumps of flour. It will be pretty thick. Then pour in more stock and add a bay leaf. Stir in the potatoes and then cook partially covered until the potatoes are fork tender. When the soup is done, remove the bay leaf and then serve, or you can make it extra creamy and stir in some cream. You can even turn this into a cheesy potato soup and add a couple handfuls of shredded cheese. You'll find lots of tips on Inspired Taste. And that's it. Easy, creamy, homemade potato soup. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.